So yeah, I be working and I be working. When I say I be working at work, but I also be working on this YouTube thing, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, man, y'all gotta bear with me, you know what I'm saying, and give me my flowers though, you know what I'm saying? Give me my flowers while I'm still here. Don't give me my flowers when I'm gone. Give me my flowers while I'm still here. That's the thing that a lot of people don't do. That's the thing that a lot of people don't do, man. They, you know, they don't want to give people their flowers while they're here. But then when they gone, they want to give all their flowers, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, click that bell, you know what I'm saying? Hit all so you can get all my notifications. Squad. Gang, gang. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey. Whew. What's going on, my YouTubers and my YouTube betters? Squad. Yes, sir. Hey, man. As always, man. Well, not as always, but might be starting a little something, man. Call this the POV Sunday, man. It's June 13th. 2021, and I'm in my 2020 Chevy Camaro. You know what I'm saying? About to get on down through here. I got it in drive today, man. I ain't gonna do no manual shit. As you see, do it in drive. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But you know, man, just giving y'all a little update and jump, you know what I'm saying, as always, man, as we on this POV ride. Just want to say I didn't get to go to the track, man. Hold on, excuse me, yes, put the windshield wipers on. But yeah, I didn't get to go to the track, you know what I'm saying. It rained, man. It's been raining for the last several days, actually, here in North Carolina. But as my mama say, you know what I'm saying, as my mama says, the Lord's willing, next Thursday, which is June 17th. Let me look at the phone right quick to make sure I'm telling y'all the right date. Woo, boy, that cooling that cooling on the cooling seats feel great. But yeah, June 17th on a Thursday. I definitely will be hitting the tracks. That's yeah. I'm about to go to the crib now. Well, I wanted to go to the crib and get my cover. Let me see here, 2 p.m. Okay, we ain't got no rain, but I don't know, this ain't a good time to be, you know what I'm saying, get my paint on. But I'm be painting my engine cover, but you know what I'm saying. So when I pop that hood, man, you know, with the car shows and car beats and good stuff like that, I pop that hood, you know what I'm saying, all you gonna see is like red and black, because as you see, that's all you can see right now is red and black. Let me see if I can, so you know what I'm saying. So definitely gonna get that painted. But probably, like I said, no, it ain't no problem. It ain't gonna be today though. I'm gonna wait. Hopefully on my off day, man. One of my 3 off days, I can get that painted, get that video up. I ain't gonna do no tutorial of it, because I already did a tutorial on me painting my engine cover on my Impala. So if y'all want to go check that out, browse that right there. You know what I'm saying? It should be like 2017 Chevy Impala engine cover paint, something like that. Something to that matter. Matter of fact, this purple. Let's see if I can zoom in right quick. Yes, sir. You see how that purple? It was the color. It was that purple in my engine cover. For those that's, you know what I'm saying, just not subscribing and haven't really browsed my channel, man. I've been doing this thing for about 2 years, man. You know what I'm saying? About 2 years. 2 years. Strong. Yeah, not strong. Strong. You know what I'm saying? And I'm keep going, man. Like I say, man, I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, man. You know, sometimes I post in between, but those be, you know, having to do with me though, like something that I'm doing. Like if I got a car review, my music car reviews that I do, I post those Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. But on the rest of them, you know, most of the time, like I say, B might be in between. Just depend on how I feel, you know what I'm saying? Depend on how I feel, man. Like I say though, I'm trying to get monetized, man. So I try my best to stay consistent with the Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. I mean, God, no, Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays though. You heard me? Because I do work, man. I work, man. I work. It's called 4 on and 4 off, man. I'm gonna explain to y'all how that go right quick. You feel me? That 4 on and 4 off, it trickles down. Like, say, like right now, this week right here, I work Thursday. No, I think I was off Thursday. Yeah, I was off Thursday. I had to work Friday, like I say today, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. You know what I'm saying? That's my 4 days I had to work. And see, I supposed to be off Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But the reason I say suppose, I'm going to work Thursday. You know what I'm saying? Just let y'all know that. Yes, sir. And on top of that, it be 12 hours, yo. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no 8-hour shift. I wish it was, but when I first started, it was 8 hours, but I think that's my homegirl Bookie and Jeanette up here in front of me though. Then I got my boy Joseph. Y'all seen him on the video one other time before. That's up in front of them. that make any sense. Let me roll the windows up. No, roll the windows up. So, yeah, I be working and I be working. When I say I be working at work, but I also be working on this YouTube thing. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, man, y'all gotta bear with me. You know what I'm saying? And give me my flowers though. You know what I'm saying? Give me my flowers while I'm still here. Don't give me my flowers when I'm gone. Give me my flowers while I'm still here. That's the thing that a lot of people don't do. That's the thing that a lot of people don't do, man. They don't want to give people their flowers while they're here. And then when they gone, they want to give all their flowers, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm the person that try to give. Well, I ain't gonna say try. I'm the person that give you your flowers while you're here. You know what I'm saying? Cause sometimes, man, when a person leave you, and you be wanting to tell them, and it be too late. You feel me? So I don't like to wait till it's too late, man. Like for instance, man, I played semi-pro football, man. On my next video, if y'all haven't seen none of my cars and coffee in Charlotte videos, man, go check those out too, by the way. But on my next video though, not my one that I'm gonna be posting up Monday, tomorrow to be exact. But because I'm gonna say my next video, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one up on Wednesday. So my next video that I'm actually talking about, will be going up Saturday. See, man, hey, sometimes you got to plan for the future, man, because we always fail to plan, but we never plan to fail. You know what I'm saying? Y'all feel me on that? Now let me say that again to y'all. We always fail to plan, F-A-I-L, fail to plan, but we never plan to fail. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Now some of y'all like, huh? Let me break that down to you. You feel me? Let me put some of this old wiseman. You know what I'm saying? Disciple 14th on y'all. You know what I'm saying? Now it was 13 disciples, but I'm the 14th one. You know what I'm saying? So let me tell y'all what I'm talking about on that right there. Since it is Sunday, yes, sir. We always make plans, man. We always make plans for the present. You know what I'm saying? But we'll never make plans for the future. Now y'all see how I just made plans for the future? You know what I'm saying? Or y'all, today's Sunday, I'm telling y'all what I'm gonna do for Saturday. You feel me? Next Saturday. That's a whole week, pretty much from now. Cause Saturday just passed yesterday. You feel me? For me, last night. Hey, I'm telling you, third shift, yo, graveyard. But yeah, though, what I'm saying is, though, what I was trying to say is, I played semi-pro football, man, and like I was saying on my next video, which will be up Saturday, is I was talking to the guy because he was asking me. I don't know if y'all ever paid attention, you know what I'm saying, to my faithful subscribers, man. I need all my subscribers to be faithful, man. But my faithful subscribers and the ones that don't really truly know me, if y'all hear it like in the background on my videos where I'm actually talking and stuff, like not right now because I was at work, but when I'm, you know what I'm saying, dressed and stuff like that. When I got the drip on, y'all can hear my chain clicking, you know what I'm saying, rattling and stuff. Like I say, if you want to see what I'm talking about, go back and look at my Cars and Coffee of Charlotte videos, and you'll hear it in the background. If you pay attention, you hear it in the background. They just jingling, you know what I'm saying? Which that's my rings of honor. If y'all happen to go back on some of my videos, y'all see it. I talk about that, my rings of honor. But what it is what I'm getting at is I played football. And it's going back to giving the flowers. I played football semi-pro because when I was trying to play in school, man, I didn't like it in middle school because of the position that I had got put in. You know what I'm saying? So it made me not like it in middle school. High school, I waited till my senior year, and I was a class clown, man. I ain't gonna say I didn't really care about my grades, but I wasn't really worried about my grades. So they hit me off when I didn't have enough. You know what I'm saying? My grades wasn't high enough. I'm being real pure and honest with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Grades wasn't high enough to play. So I got to play after high school. You know what I'm saying? Semi-pro. And me personally, I was a beast. I could have been even more of a beast, but the coaches already had their picks, you know what I'm saying? But I played though, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't have that what if, you know what I'm saying, that what if factor. And that's what I'm saying with those that, you know, pass away. You know, you don't never have to worry about, if you give them their flowers right then and there, you don't have to worry about you saying, man, I didn't get to give them their flowers when they was here. You know what I'm saying? You don't, that what if factor. But hey man, this is JP Chevy, man, you know what I'm saying? Coming at y'all, you know what I'm saying, in my Chevy. You feel me? I'm gonna get on off this thing, man.